Hello dear student of class 6. Welcomes to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir, and today we are going to revise the earth and satellite. Dear student, the earth is unique planet. The earth on which we live is placed at third position. See in this picture, the earth has third position in solar system. It ranks fifth in size. The earth completes one rotation on its axis from west to east direction in about 24 hours, which makes one day. Its revolution around the sun is covered 365 days and 6 hours. The earth. The earth has one moon. The earth is only planet with liquid water. The earth is only planet with living organism. In ancient times, it was believed that earth is flat body. But in the 5th century Common Era, Aryabhatta, an Indian astronomer, declared that the earth is spherical in shape. Now, the photographs of the earth taken from the space confirm its spherical shape. The earth bulks slightly at the equator and flattens at the poles. So, you are seeing the picture of Aryabhatta. Here, so what is the conditions that make earth unique? Now, the earth condition is favorable, which supports life on the earth. The earth receives moderate heat and light from the sun. This much quantity of heat and light is just sufficient to evolve and sustain all forms of life on the earth's surface. Other planets are either very hot or very cold. Secondly, about two-thirds of the earth area is covered with water, and water is essential for human beings, animals, and plants. No life can exist without water. Thirdly, the earth has envelope of air around it. It contains gases, water vapors, and dust particles with the help in supporting life on the planet. Earth's atmosphere protects us from the incoming meteoroids. So dear student, that is why Earth is called as unique planet. Only planet known to sustain life, adequate sunlight, oxygen. Due to this, Earth is called unique planet. Here the satellites. Dear student, the heavenly bodies that revolve around the respective planets are called the satellites. Like the planets, satellites also do not have their own light and heat. They reflect light which they receive from the sun. Each planet has one or more satellites, except the Mercury and Venus. This Mercury and Venus has not a satellite. Our Earth has one satellite. We call it the moon. Saturn has more satellite. Okay dear students, see the picture of the man-made satellite. So these are some example of the man-made satellite. That satellites are useful for the broadcasting the weather conditions on the earth and for the communication on the earth. It is very helpful man-made satellite. So dear student, here the assignment question on today's topic. You should write these questions in your copy. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic, the earth, a unique planet, and the satellite. I hope you understand today's topic. So thank you for watching today's online video. So we will meet in next period with new topic, with new joy. Thank you for today and have a nice day ahead.